Let's draw and color a cute candy. First, draw a big circle. Next, draw a wavy ears on the left and right of the circle. Put 2 lines inside the ears. Now, draw 2 cute big eyes and a little mouse in the middle of the circle. Great job! It's time to color the candy. I color my candy with yellow and pink, but you can color with any color you want. We are done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.